Have the all-new 2017 Toyota Sienna. This is the XLE all-wheel drive in Blizzard Pearl. We got the 18-inch alloy rims with the run-flat tires. They come standard with mud flaps. As you look at this color here, it has 3 different metallics in the paint, so depending on the sunlight, it's a beautiful color. It actually has an extra layer of paint compared to some of the other ones. That's why it's a little more money. Now it has the fog lights, it has the LED daytime running lights. This one now also has the new 3.5 liter D4S engine with the 8-speed transmission. So I'm just going to pop the hood and turn the lights on to show you real quick. So it comes with the LED daytime running lights, which oddly enough don't blink like that in person, but on film apparently they do. As we pop the hood here, so this now has 296 horsepower with an 8-speed transmission and 263 pound-feet of torque. Still has the electronic power steering module, nice and open, easy to work on. And as we come around here, got painted handles, painted mirrors, comes with the smart key system. So if you touch the 2 lines there, it locks it. To unlock the door, simply grab behind the handle, and as long as you have the key on you within 3 feet of the door, it will open. You get power windows, power locks, storage in the top and the bottom. In Canada, they all come with all season and carpet mats. Door sill protectors, power seats, sunroof. Comes with the power sliding doors with the middle captain seats, which do flip forward, have rear child seat anchor as well as the 2 in the base. And you also get the sunshades that pop up just from in behind there in the doors. As we come around the back, there's 2 ways of opening it. You can either pop it from the hood or from the key or from the up in the top front. Or you can just grab behind the handle and it's not powered that way, otherwise it is powered. The XLE also gives you the backup sensors. For the seats here, to fold them up, all you do is you pick it up and let it go. It locks in. Pull the handle back and flip the headrest up. Really easy. You get the 2 child seat anchors in the back there. You don't have the 3rd one. To fold these down, all you have to do, grab the main handle, pull it back, and everything flips down. And then just simply flip this forward and you have the whole storage. You get some storage on the side. Obviously lots of room. If you remove all the seats, it is 8 feet to the back of the front seats. So technically you have like a whole bed with an 8-foot box and canopy. Now with the XLE, you do also get the blind spot monitoring built into the side mirrors. They are heated mirrors too. You get automatic headlights, parking sensors, like I said, blind spot monitoring. The rear windows vent open electronically. Steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, multi-information display in the center. You get navigation, backup camera, driver easy speak, which projects your voice into the 3rd row. 3 different map modes. Which we'll go through just by touching on the compass. A lot of people prefer the 3D. Tri-zone climate control. You get cup holders in the middle. Lots of storage here. And cup holders on the back of the seat there too. Heated front seats. And then in the multi-information display, it's got your distance till empty, current fuel economy, an all-wheel drive monitor, which shows you which wheels are getting most of the power. And it does come with the sequential shift mode, like that. So I'll do a quick little drive here. Hopefully we can hear a bit of the engine in the video, and you can kind of see what it's going to be like. So as you accelerate, you'll see all 4 wheels will spin, but as you do get up to speed, it does transfer the power to the front. And then you get really nice visual all around the vehicle. From the driver perspective, there's not any blind spots. And that's that sunshade there too. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. It's Mike Linterman at Mayfield Toyota.